Got yourself in a vehicle accident? Don't you worry. Here are the steps for reimbursement. Motor Vehicle Claim Settlement Process. Start by intimating your claim via IndusInd Insurance app, website, WhatsApp or call center. Following this, the insured person and the intimator will receive an SMS with a claim number and surveyor details. And survey will be done in 24 hours. If all required documents and the estimate are in place, the surveyor will provide the provisional approval to start the repair work. After repair, the surveyor shall confirm claim admissibility, post document and other checks. Then, submit the original repair invoice and other required documents, if any, to the surveyor only for processing the claim. Post submitting the required document, claim amount will be processed within 7 working days. Note: during this entire process, the claim status will be Claim Under Process. You can also track the claim status on IndusInd Insurance app. Once the claim gets settled, the insured shall receive an SMS or email confirming the same, along with payment details. Check out the required documents you need to complete a hassle-free claim process. After claim intimation, you will receive an SMS with a bit.ly link where you can now fill the claim form digitally, that is, e-claim form. So enjoy hassle-free reimbursement claim settlement process with IndusInd General Insurance. 24/7 assistance. IndusInd General Insurance, now with a better experience. For more details, visit indusindinsurance.com or contact your insurance advisor today.